This is HUNU Plus, a 16 or 20 ounce cup that folds down to just over 3 centimeters. This cup fits into your pocket and into your life. It can handle whatever you throw at it before folding down small enough to slip away into any pocket or bag so that you can carry on with your day.
Hi, I'm Megan.
And I'm Vince.
A little while ago, we became aware of just how much waste we were producing.
According to some studies, 165 million coffee cups end up in landfill every single day.
We wanted to do better, but the alternatives to single-use cups were either bulky or inconvenient.
So we launched HUNU to change that.
And just over a year ago, we launched it here on Kickstarter, and you guys blew us away.
You helped us turn our dream into a legitimate business.
And when we asked what you wanted to see next, there was an overwhelming response that kept coming up over and over again.
And so we listened. Meet HUNU Plus, the collapsible cup that is now available in 3 new sizes while still folding down to just over 3 centimeters. Made perfectly for all you large coffee lovers, iced coffee lovers, smoothie lovers, or just all you lovers. Our new and improved leak-proof lid features a built-in plug and hidden air hole to make drinking easy. Our heat band is still there for those hot drinks, and we designed the HUNU Plus to be strong and sturdy when open, but made sure that it's easy to collapse when it needs to. We've even added an easy-to-clean straw that folds away neatly in the bottom of the cup. All our materials are BPA-free, fully non-toxic, and super easy to clean with a quick rinse or in the dishwasher. When collapsed, this cup slips away conveniently and will fit in almost any pocket or bag. Our design team has been working on perfecting HUNU Plus for over 6 months now, and after a lot of testing and many prototypes, we are finally ready to bring it out into the world. We took all your feedback into account when designing this, our new improved HUNU cup, and we can't wait to get them into your hands.
Our factories are ready to go, and we're coming to you Kickstarter one more time to ask for your help. We know you're going to love this new HUNU cup, so please pledge, get your HUNU Plus,
and help us in the fight against single-use plastic.
Thanks!